see the divers are out there. Why didn't you call me sooner so I could get some video of this? Because it's got to be.
They pulled in. He went behind the trailer. I can't see.
All right. Well, Scuba Steve's in the water, trying to fix the infamous Ridgway pool leak. So let's get some video. Yeah, this leak's been bothering us for probably about 2 or 3 months. So yeah, the guys from Summertime Pools, great group, great business. They're trying to figure it out. They narrowed it down to the bottom drain holes. So. How's Scuba Steve making out? Is he all right?
So far, so good.
Was the weights able to hold him down?
Yeah, he's got him around his back now. He hasn't moved, so they're working.
Now, what's he do now? Is he sprinkle like dye or something around it to see?
Yeah, he's shooting dye all around it, and then once he finds his hole, he gets a patch.
Now, what's that, like a glue?
Yeah, we got all types of stuff. Depending on where it is, like he took the drain cap off. We might have to replace the gasket. He'll put like caulk around it to seal it. But yeah, it's just like a tube or something. Looks like caulk.
Now I know the water temperature is about 70 degrees. The suit he has is pretty good though, right? I mean, he's sweating like a pig probably in there.
Yeah, he don't feel that coldest.
Cold. No. I don't even want him coming out there complaining and throwing shit at me. So.
Nah, he'll be alright. Yeah, that keeps the cold out a lot.
Yeah, because I know you guys did a test with like a static electricity around it. So, hey, is that his over there floating around?
Yeah, he wants it in there.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what the heck.
Now the orange stuff at the bottom of the pool, that's the iron from the water, isn't it? That settles to the bottom?
Thinking, or he was also thinking mustard algae.
Oh, okay.
But you know, no crazy deal, but...
Right.
Yeah, normally, before we got this suit, he would just put on a bathing suit, go down there or whatever, and with the weights that we had would keep him down.
Right.
But with the suit and the buoyancy or whatever, you know.
Now Jimmy, the owner, he doesn't do this stuff, right?
Nah, he won't go in there.
Is that because he's a lazy man? Or is that...
I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't say that, but...
Hey Jim, if you look at that, I said it, he didn't. Let's check out the heater. The heater ran last night and got the water temperature down to 70. This is something we just added this year. And that got it, like I said, got it to 70 degrees. So the diver guy wasn't totally cold because the water temperature yesterday morning was 46. So we didn't want anybody going in with that. And plus with a wetsuit. So this is another thing Summertime Pools of Millville put in for us. 400,000 HD Master Temp Pentair. So that should make early entry and late out of the pool this year, hopefully. Now, is Jimmy going to charge me for this suit?
I highly doubt it. Nah, we need that thing, man. Should have been had.
Now, did he get it strictly for him? His size?
Yeah.
Or?
Nobody else really likes to do it. I try to use the breathing machine. It just doesn't work for me. So.
Well, I don't think I'd want to get in a diving suit that somebody else was in anyway.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah,
I don't want to share a room with my boys, you know what I mean? Somebody else was in.
Yeah.
How you making out there, Scuba Steve?
Nothing yet. Yeah. My beer in there too. The weights are working great.
Oh, good. Well, they were.
Do me a favor. Close the drain.
But if it was the drains, that's just me thinking out loud, wouldn't you feel like a collapse of the liner by them?
It's like an indent?
Yeah, like a little indent or something maybe, if it was around. Because you got to figure that was a lot of water that came out of this thing.
Yeah.
Because it's been filled 3-4 times.
No, with it being vermiculite though, I could see if it was sand, but it's a lot softer.
But vermiculite, that hardens up like concrete, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I mean, I might make a little indent, but nah, it wouldn't be anything crazy noticeable anyway.
Yeah. So you're good? You found it? What was it? A dirty what?
Can't put that on YouTube, man.
No, you can't. I'd have had to bleep that out. So it was on this one, right?
Yep.
So Jimmy, it was the opposite of the one you said. It's the one I said.
Yeah, it's actually under the liner where the faceplate marriage is.
Oh. So that's the infamous gasket right there, the white thing on the bottom, or is that just a bracket?
Alright, so yeah, it's just a bracket. Before the liner even goes in, there's a pot. Gasket, which Phil show you the gasket. Gasket goes on top of the pot, liner goes down, gasket, then that faceplate.
Gotcha.
I can't tell. I'm probably Phil. I'm going to. Did you see it?
No. Yeah, all the way down.
It's making its rounds.
I'll go swim for it. I'm going to need a number 3 screwdriver. Navato clear M35. Gasket. I'm going to try and replace the gasket if I can. I don't want the liner to slip on me though. Yeah.
Looks
Yeah,
like
2 gaskets.
Looks like you got plenty of liner there.
Yeah. Yeah, the biggest fear is where the screws go in.
Right. It's just crazy the amount of water that's been coming out of this thing.
You'll see when I videotape it.
Mm-hmm.
You'll see that dye she take her.
Oh, how much it sucks it in.
Oh yeah.
So, hon, they found the leak. Woo! And the weirdest part, it's right where I said it was. Not on the right side like they said. It's on the left side. With my little homemade contraption and my 12-foot piece of PVC and my little ink bottle, I found a leak. And they...
Because you're brilliant.
No, I'm not brilliant. I'm just lucky. But I'm sitting there. I do my due diligence and try to figure it out. And that's what I came up with. So either way, they...
So are they patching it?
Yeah, they're doing another test on it. They're going to try to put a new gasket on it and fill it that way, and we should be good hopefully within 15 or 20 minutes. Why are you leaving when such fun times are here? Where are you going?
What do you mean, fun times?
Fun times, watching people.
I'm going to go pick up Bev, and we're going to go to the Lost Elephant Trail, and we're going to walk.
Okay, well, hopefully you find it.
Just take these out before...
These? Mommy called you these, John. And tuna fish?
These puppies.
These puppies.
Okay.
All right. Success?
Time will tell, but I think you're righteous.
Cool. Phil was saying you did both drains?
Yep, they sent out, which obviously was your year, gaskets that are junk. Oh man. Yep, black gaskets.
Oh, that was what's in it?
And they failed.
Oh.
Break apart.
Yep, just brittle.
Jimmy gonna say, mother.
He'll get over it. So were they broken apart like?
That one.
Especially that one?
Yep. That one wasn't bad, but what's the point?
Yeah, well if you're down there, I mean.
Yeah, what's the point?
Either way, guys, fine job at Summertime Pools and Spas. Brian and Phil, thank you both so much. Appreciate it.
Obviously, we're going to put the cover back on.
Yeah,
and then,
I'll peel it off as I need it.
I'll put a little piece of tape. I wouldn't even put any water in it yet, obviously.
Okay.
Now you might see an initial, maybe 1/4 inch loss.
All right.
From evaporation.
Right, okay.
Obviously, because we heated the pool, so.
So did you find it interesting about the pool at all when you were looking at the video?
Yeah, I think it's interesting.
And Scuba Steve, great guy. I thought he did a great job. So, but did you understand that the gaskets that were only put in the year that we had the pool put in were defective? They basically disintegrated because the salt water in the pool, saltwater pool, disintegrated the gaskets.
So in other words, it's like a warranty thing, right?
Yeah, basically a warranty thing, which is good because they stayed on top of it the whole time.
Yes.
And they've been back since then and taken tests on the water levels, which the pool is full. The heater's ready to go. So it's a little early, but the pool is holding water, so I think we're good. You happy?
Yeah.
I'm happy. Because I sit there and worry about stuff like that. I don't know why. But, so today is Fan Mail Day. And
no, it's not Fan Mail Day.
It is if I'm opening it. And it's a day, so it's Fan Mail Day. Jimmy! We got a Jimmy Ryan here.
We thought we would take advantage of
the moment
and do open the fan mail
to go along with this
sitting
video.
Here for a little bit,
right?
Yeah.
Hey there, Jeff Ridgway. Have you heard of this? No. Have you heard of ear infections? Yeah, I've heard of ear infections. I think I've had
quite a few.
And who's the queen of ear infections?
Luna.
Luna's the queen of ear infections. We constantly got to put ear drops in her head. It's always the right ear. It's weird. IndyCar racing? Nah, never been too much in. NHRA, drag racing? Yep, I like that. So, my mom passed away back in 2018. It's been 4 years ago.
Sorry.
Yeah, sorry, Jimmy. We feel bad for you. You know, loss in a family is horrible, especially your mother.
When you lose somebody so close, it's like you lose them over and over again at all these different things. And yeah, it's rough.
Yeah, I agree. Especially your mom, because your mom, nobody replaces your mom. So. Love you, Mom, which is very nice, Jimmy. We appreciate that. God bless and condolences to you and your family. Justin Butler, just in time. That didn't work. You didn't. Oh, you are smiling.
No,
is that a fake smile?
You've actually used that one like 4 or 5 times now.
Why can't you recycle jokes? Dear Jeff Ridgway, I love your videos.
Where's my glasses?
Why, I'm reading it to you. Why do you need your glasses?
Huh? There you are.
Great videos. I told Jesse I wanted the lava lamp, a beanie, and a graphic novel, but don't know if he saw the messages on Instagram. Jesse's pretty good about seeing every message.
Yeah,
he may not respond.
And whoever was the first one, that could be the person who got it. So I don't know.
Right.
But they've all gone out.
Right.
It's been a while now. So.
And he referenced the Eagles that did an amazing job. Yes, the Eagles did do an amazing job, but Cowboys all the way. Sorry, no, not Cowboys all the way. Cowboys 3/4 the way. Eagles all the way, along with the Packers. Y'all biggest fan, Justin Butler. Appreciate it, Justin.
So now it's going to be the Phillies. The Philadelphia Phillies.
Very good point. So now we got Dave, Jack, and Anita. Dun, 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 dun. And
oh my gosh, that's a retriever.
Look at the retriever, and it has a butterfly on its nose.
That's so pretty.
That is pretty. Mr. and Mrs. Ridgway, just checking in to let you know I and Jack and Anita are thinking of you. Your videos are really great. Keep up the good job, Dave, Jack, and Anita. Thank you so much. We greatly appreciate it.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Yep.
We hope you're doing well too.
Yeah, we wish the best for everybody. Sometimes the world, life sucks, and you got to, deal with it the best you can. This is from Levi. Oh boy, it's like a 2-pager. Jeffrey Todd Ridgway, thank you. That is my name. I'm Jeff. You're not. Oh, there's a 2-pager. Jeffrey Todd Ridgway again. I've been watching you guys on YouTube for a long time. How you doing? Levi, we're doing well. We appreciate it. And Levi is very consistent. You got to admit.
Yeah.
Levi, thank you for all your, emails.
He mentions all the
Virtual Escape,
series,
Devils Inside, and Christmas series. And the...
That's the Spirit of Ursula.
Okay.
That was a good one, too.
Levi.
I love them all.
Thank you so much, Johnny. Sorry. And The Life of Johnny. Everybody loves The Life of Johnny. Right?
Yeah.
Wait, oh, sorry. Mrs. Ridgway. Oh, sorry. What?
What?
Yeah.
It's an Easter bunny nose.
Johnny. See, that's why I have a problem with Amazon. That's the only thing, because you never know who it's from. Sold by, no.
No, that's a seller, hon.
Huh.
Oh, gosh.
USPS, delivery. Huh.
Okay, I don't know who this is from.
Maybe there's something in the box. Maybe? Do you want me to open the box? Oh.
You have problems.
No, I haven't got problems.
Oh, look at them. Oh, it's perfect and it's just in time. I'm glad I opened this today.
Oh, you have to use my just-in-time joke? It's perfect.
Isn't that so sweet?
Oh,
look at
it's perfect.
And the colors.
Oh my God.
Oh.
It looks
I love
like
them. I love them all.
sherbet. That's what it looks like.
And this guy's got a carrot.
And Johnny. We had carrots for dinner, didn't we, John?
I'm going to leave them right here by Chris's lamp.
Oh, that's so nice.
And this one has an egg.
Oh, what's the others have?
Let us know in the comments who these are from.
Right. It's got a carrot.
A carrot, an egg, and flowers.
Oh, that's nice.
That's great.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, that's real nice. What?
Yep. Please let me know.
We got like a crap ton of gnomes. Even though they are cute.
You can never have too many gnomes.
Right. No way. But yeah, you can you can put gnomes anywhere. You can stick them over in the corner for decorations, or you can stick them in a trash can.
Okay.
Oh, okay. But no, she loves gnomes. I love gnomes. Right?
No, you don't.
No. But either way, we appreciate all the fan mail. It looks like we went through it all, and I hope you enjoyed the video because, again, the pool, I love the pool. I love the water running. I mean, it could run all year round, and I would be happy. But again, with winter, it gets in the way. But I think we're in good shape now. So I hope, and I know you hope, everybody has a great day and a good life.